CDF so that you can have an opportunity to set up an ICT hub. And one of the big announcements that was made in my trip in America is an investment by Microsoft, an American company, G42, a UAE company, EcoCloud of Kenya, and the government of Kenya, on the first ever data center that will use renewable energy. And it is an investment of $1 billion. And it is going to help us build the ecosystem to support the digital journey that we are engaged in as a nation. And you, as members of parliament, have an opportunity to be part of that momentum by setting up ICT hubs in every ward in the Republic of Kenya. I am very confident that working together in that manner and without minding whether this constituency belongs to a member of parliament who is in government or in the opposition, we are all one nation. Our target is to make sure that every child in Kenya has an opportunity, because we want to enhance the number of people who have incomes. We also managed to negotiate additional investments under the AGOA agreement. I got a confirmation from the American government that they are going to renew the Africa Growth and Opportunities Act, that today gives us close to 50,000 jobs here in Athi River, and now we have another 6 special economic zones set up in Kenya, and more American companies are going to set up camp in our nation because of the agreements we have put in place to create more jobs. We must continuously, deliberately, intentionally find opportunities for employment for the people of Kenya, the young people of Kenya.